Unleashing the power of Cloudways Magento hosting, pricing strategies. In this video I will explain 1. Cloudways Magento hosting. 2. Why choose Cloudways Magento hosting? 3. Flexible Magento cloud pricing. 4. Scalable hosting solutions. 5. Optimized performance. 6. 24/7 support. 7. Easy migration. 8. Customer success stories. 9. Get started with Cloudways Magento hosting today. Welcome to Cloudways Magento hosting. Welcome to Cloudways Magento hosting, where we provide the best hosting solutions for your online store. With our cutting-edge technology and expert support team, we ensure that your website runs smoothly and efficiently. Our goal is to make your life easier by providing you with a hassle-free hosting experience. We understand that running an online store can be challenging, so we strive to provide you with the tools and resources you need to succeed. Whether you're just starting out or you're an established business, we have the perfect hosting solution for you. Why choose Cloudways Magento hosting? Cloudways Magento hosting offers a range of benefits that make it the best choice for your e-commerce website. With Cloudways, you can enjoy faster page load times, better security, and more reliable uptime than other hosting providers. In addition, Cloudways offers flexible pricing plans that allow you to choose the plan that best fits your needs. Whether you're just starting out or have a large, established business, Cloudways has a plan that will work for you. Flexible Magento cloud pricing. Cloudways Magento hosting offers flexible pricing options to meet the needs of businesses of all sizes. With pay-as-you-go plans, you only pay for the resources you use, making it easy to scale up or down as needed. Additionally, Cloudways offers a range of pre-configured plans that include everything you need to get started. The pricing model is simple and transparent, with no hidden fees or charges. You can choose from hourly or monthly billing, depending on your needs. And with no long-term contracts or commitments, you have the flexibility to switch plans or providers at any time. Scalable hosting solutions. Cloudways Magento hosting offers scalable hosting solutions that can meet the needs of growing businesses. With Cloudways, you don't have to worry about outgrowing your hosting plan because it can easily scale up or down based on your needs. This means you can focus on growing your business without worrying about technical details. Cloudways uses advanced technology to ensure that your website is always running smoothly, even during peak traffic periods. This includes features like auto-scaling, which automatically adjusts server resources based on traffic levels. With Cloudways, you can rest assured that your website will be able to handle any amount of traffic. Optimized performance. Cloudways Magento hosting offers optimized performance for your website. By leveraging advanced caching technologies and server-level optimizations, Cloudways can significantly reduce page load times and improve overall site speed. In addition to faster load times, optimized performance also leads to better search engine rankings, increased user engagement, and higher conversion rates. With Cloudways Magento hosting, you can be confident that your website will perform at its best. 24/7 support. At Cloudways, we understand the importance of reliable support for our customers. That's why we offer 24/7 support to ensure that your website is always up and running smoothly. Our team of experts is available around the clock to help you with any issues or concerns you may have. Whether it's a minor technical glitch or a major outage, we've got you covered. With Cloudways, you can rest assured that your website is in good hands. Easy migration. Migrating to Cloudways Magento hosting is a breeze. The process is straightforward and can be completed in just a few simple steps. First, you'll need to create an account with Cloudways. Once you've done that, you can choose the migration tool that works best for your needs. Cloudways offers several options, including manual migration, automated migration, and assisted migration. Next, you'll need to provide Cloudways with access to your existing website. This can be done by providing login credentials or by uploading a backup file. Once Cloudways has access to your site, they will begin the migration process. This typically takes a few hours, but can vary depending on the size of your website and the complexity of your setup. Once the migration is complete, you'll be able to access your new Magento hosting environment and start enjoying all the benefits of Cloudways. Customer success stories. One of our customers, an online fashion retailer, was struggling with slow website speeds and frequent downtime. They switched to Cloudways Magento hosting and saw a significant improvement in their website's performance. With faster load times and reliable uptime, they were able to provide a better user experience for their customers and increase sales. Another customer, a digital agency, needed a hosting solution that could handle their growing client base. They turned to Cloudways Magento hosting for its scalability and flexible pricing options. With the ability to easily add resources as needed, they were able to meet the demands of their clients without breaking the bank. Get started with Cloudways Magento hosting today. Don't wait any longer to experience the power of Cloudways Magento hosting. Sign up today and take advantage of our flexible pricing plans, scalable hosting solutions, and optimized performance. Our 24/7 support team is always available to assist you with any questions or concerns, and our easy migration process ensures a smooth transition to Cloudways.